Hi, I'm Megan Glasgow, the Marketing and Communications Manager at the Early Learning Coalition of the Big Bend. Here at the ELC, one of our goals is to prepare every child for success in school. One of the ways that we're able to do that is by providing free books to the children in our community, and that includes the 6 surrounding counties. Today we're going to do a fun activity. It doesn't matter their age or their reading skill level, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want are some clean popsicle or craft sticks. Next, you'll want to look around your house for any fun craft supplies. You can even use crayons or markers or paint like me. The first thing we're going to do is carefully paint our popsicle sticks. The next thing you want to do is add a face. Then you can add your final touches and wait for them to dry. Puppets are a great way to reenact stories children have heard in books. And when they're done playing, they serve as a great bookmark. The great thing about this project is that you can make any kind of puppet you want, whether it's animals, superheroes, aliens. Think of your favorite book and the characters that are in it. If you would like to learn more about our services, go to our website at elcbigbend.org or follow us on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. We can't wait to see what you come up with.